I say we go for the P.38 on this first one. Ooh, hold on. Maybe we go for the F2A. He's in a bad position. I can easily kill him. There we go. Yeah, that's our kill. Let's go. Ooh, I'm thinking the Yak 1 here. Yeah, he's gonna do more damage to my teammate. Ooh, I need to pull up. Let's go. He's done. Oh, he actually hit my tail. There. Who was shooting me? I don't know. Let's go for this guy, though. Can't really do much. Ooh, hold on. Oh, crap. It's a P-36. Oh, that's not going to do anything. Right, we're good for now. We can take him out here. I missed my shots there. Took him out anyway, though. We're good. Yeah, I don't know what that guy was thinking. He should never had on a P400 or a P40. Stupid. Yeah, he's clueless. Let's get him. P40E. That's it. Oh, hold on. Maybe. Yeah, the P40E's done. I have some shots. Nah, he's too far. It's fine. I'm low on ammo. Actually gonna reload real quick. Oh, let's go. Zone captured. Didn't even try to do that. Ooh, that's an easy kill right there. Even without our 20mm, we can get him. Or not. Ooh, P400. That guy's gonna kill my teammate. Ooh, I need to kill this guy. Let's go. That's our kill. Is this Spitfire go now? No. What the heck are my teammates doing, dog? Is it really that difficult? Gosh. Ooh, I love killing these. Looks like my teammate got lucky there. Alright, that's good stuff, though. As long as he goes down. Ooh, oh, what? I don't know if you guys heard that, but I felt like 2 shots on the window. That's absurd, dude. Luckily, I have another lag. That's absolutely retarded. It's fine, though. A36. I don't know if you guys know this, but the A36 isn't all that special. I've played it in the tech tree. The US tech tree. Everyone thinks their tech tree is good, but it's honestly mediocre. And the low tier is atrocious. That's why I switched to Russia. Is he aiming for me? No. He's done. We're good. Camera just fell. research points for that. What the heck? Oh my gosh, dude. What? Is so stupid. Why did my plane do an ollie? Alright, let's try this new one I just got. I-16 type 10. Alright. By the way, I am recording this in 4K, so I'm sorry if it's a little blurry. Yeah, I don't know why it is. Ooh, hold on, this thing hits like a truck. That's crazy for 7.62. That's actually really good for a small little plane. Oh, this guy's done. What is he doing? Or maybe I'm... Oh! No way! That's crazy. And... reality check. Well, you win some, you lose some. It's alright. Yeah, of course it's a Spitfire. Those things are overpowered. Let's play this biplane. It's actually pretty good. Its guns don't sound normal. They're like way like they almost sound like the Pt.1's gun. You know. Ooh, I love ripping apart huge planes because this thing could just do that so well. I don't want to be stupid and steal that guy's kill. He deserves it. I know what it feels like to get my kill stolen, even though I deserve it. Ooh. Now this is a little crappy of me, but I'm gonna kill this dude. Yeah, you're done. Only because he killed me earlier, I'm pretty sure. It's kill assist. It's good stuff. Always want to get that extra research points. This thing turns so quickly. I just love it, even though it's not the best plane. And its bullets are really good, so that's good. Let's go. What? So much for severe damage. Oh, okay, never mind. I took out his elevation mechanism. Either that or he just like decided to fly into the ground. I don't know. Ooh. F2. I just love getting the hold on. Yeah, I love getting the rank does not matter badge. No! Oh crap. I did not realize what I was wasn't paying attention. Alright, but okay. Interesting stuff. We're good. We're good though. It's alright. And F2A did that? I find that hard to believe. I've played with the F2A before. It's like you're shooting frozen peas at the other team. I I don't know how he could have ripped apart my plane like that. Oh, that's better. Resolution looks better. You guys don't really care about the wider screen. Yeah, we're good. Now this plane is pretty good. I like its bullets and the gun it has, but the only problem I have is that the turn speed is like molasses. It's like you're turning in a snail. Turning with a snail. Ooh, this should be an easy kill right here. What? What are we doing? I have air targets. Come on. So A36 is done. There we go. That's the air targets. Oh! Still set that guy on fire, but the game's over. Alright, thanks for watching.